Hi there, this is Sampatram. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the heating not working in your air conditioner. So let's get started. And here I am on top of the house, and I opened up the shielding material, and then here is how you can diagnose the heater not working issue. So my heater in fact was making a buzz sound like grrr, but no heat was coming out, no hot air was coming out, no air was coming out at all when I put it in heat mode. But when I put it in cool mode, cooling works okay. And so here is what I thought could be problematic. So before you do anything else, make sure you disconnect the circuit breaker or disconnect the power. Like in this case, I have a pull-out circuit breaker. So if the AC is also not working, then check your fuses and make sure that fuse is okay. So in my case, fuses are okay. As in I used a multimeter and then connected in short circuit mode, and then I touched the two terminals. I should hear a beep sound. That means that the circuit breaker is working okay. So I tested both of them and I hear beep sound. If one of them blows out, the air conditioner will not work. So make sure you first check that one, and after that, if it's a heating issue, most likely the problem would be that this motor right here may not be spinning. It would be like tight. When you try to manually rotate it, it should move freely, like how you're seeing right now. If you're hearing a hum sound, meaning the motor is not able to rotate. So just try to spin it like manually. That's first step. And then check. So this valve right here, it allows the movement of this fan. It allows, like, it turns on and off the fan by using a pressure. So make sure you check this one by removing it and then blowing air into it. You should hear some popping sound if you blow air and suck air into it, like that. So if you hear those click sound, which means that your fan will work properly. And then the next step would be to check the flame sensor. So in my case, I have a flame igniter over here. There's only one wire going into it. So you can remove it and then clear off all the soot that gets accumulated over time. If the flame would not come on, then the heater will not be working, meaning you won't get any hot air even though the fan is spinning. And also make sure to check to clear the soot that is attached on the sensor as well. This is the sensor. It's just one single rod that goes into it. So take it out and then clear the soot on top of it as well. So after doing these things, my heater started working. So let me show you how it works after turning on. So I'm putting my circuit breaker back on, and I'm gonna put my heater into heat mode, and you will see it turn on. And usually for most of the heaters, if it's a cooling issue, then the capacitor would have popped. Currently my capacitor looks good, meaning there is no bulging of the capacitor. So that's used for starting the compressor. So cooling is working okay, so that's good. And for some of the air conditioned models, you will have like indicator light. If there is some issue, you will see the light blinking, and there will be some blink code written on top of the board. Currently mine doesn't have any. So let me show you after turning on how it operates. So I just turn on the heater into heat mode. It may take some time because it will take like few seconds, because there is some timer in the this electrical system that will turn on the heater or cooling. See, as you can see here, it just turned on and the motor started spinning, confirming us that there is no issue with spinning of the motor to blow the air. Now let's wait for the igniter to turn on. Yeah, there you go. As you can see, the igniter turned on. So previously I was just hearing the sound, so motor was not rotating, and so the flame was not turned on. But now, as you can see, the flame is on, and also the motor is spinning, and so I'm getting hot air into my house. That's how I fixed my heater, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you very much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye. Oh, and make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.